Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here with Cajun Hydroponics. Quick update of the 2 hydroponic greenhouses, and they are kicking. You can see we got a mess right here. The Amelia tomatoes are taking off. Oh my, they are full of tomatoes, but they're also full of the misère, the mess. But tomatoes. Tomatoes, 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 tomatoes. Oh my. As far as size wise, these tomatoes are some of the largest tomatoes I've had in a long time. And they full. Check it out. Look. Wow. I can hide my hand behind almost the whole thing. And there's 7 tomatoes on that cluster. Look. I mean, it's just full. We're gonna be eating a lot of tomatoes, and I'm a lot of happy. This is greenhouse number 2. Yeah, looking good. This is greenhouse number 1, where almost all the plants were started from cuttings about a month ago. Right at 4 weeks. I think it'd be 4 weeks Wednesday or tomorrow. So 4 weeks they were started from cuttings, and look at them grow. Look at me now. I'm doing all of these double stemmed to see the difference in production between this greenhouse and the other greenhouse. I already had the cables run, so that's what we got. Back here, besides the mess right here, we pulled out 14 perfectly good tomatoes, because I'm not liking how the Amelias are doing over there with all the space and that stuff that hangs them. We pulled out the tomatoes and we actually put in some different types of eggplant and zucchini. Did the same thing on the other side. I need to pick up, well, I picked up 2 pepper plants. I don't think they're gonna do great, but I think they'll do well enough. And I also want to show you, I got 2 tomato plants left over there to pull. I want to show you how big the root systems get, how fast. It doesn't take long. So I'll be doing a video on that. But man, this is exciting. It seems the closer I get to being, okay, I'm done and I can, you know, sit back a little bit and enjoy, the more more stuff piles up. I had to order some more tomahawks because I was about 100 short. Well, not 100. Yeah, maybe about 100 short, maybe a little more. So I ordered the tomahawks, and I need to hang those. Raised beds, we're gonna do an update on the raised beds tomorrow. If things are looking good. If you caught the little 20-second video from me last night, that's one of the 10 beds, just the tomatoes. The plants are small, but the tomatoes are kicking. The plants are taking off. It's warming up, so really happy. Happy about a lot of things. We should have a really good crop this year. Started late, but that may be something to look at. Anyway, South Louisiana, boy, you gotta love it. I gotta get back to work. 4 o'clock in the morning, and I've been out here for almost an hour already. Fun, fun, fun. Y'all grow that later.